Hello students, today we are going to discuss about population growth. Okay, so we have to find how to find growth in population over a period of time. Okay, suppose here if we consider P0 is the initial population, or when we count that population at that year, it is a P0, and over a period of time, suppose it is a 1 year, that population is a P1. Okay, so rate of growth in population, how to find it, is a P1 minus P0 upon P0. Okay, so how much population increases divided by original, that is a rate of growth. Okay, so here P0 is the initial population and P1 is the population after some interval. Okay, so it is a rate of growth, how we find, that is a how much population increases divided by original population. So P1 minus P0 upon P0, that is a rate of growth. So P1 minus P0 upon P0, and rate of growth, it is a means when we count it is in percentage. So if we suppose that it is R%, so P1 minus P0 upon P0 is equal to R%, that is R by 100. Okay, I will write here P1 minus P0 upon P0 is equal to R by 100. Now if we separate this, P1 minus P0 minus P0 upon P0 is equal to R by 100. So it is P1 minus P0 minus 1 is equal to R by 100. So minus 1 shift there. So P1 upon P0 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. Now this P0 multiply. So P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100. Okay. So how we find population after some interval or after 1 unit, suppose, that is a P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100. Okay. So this is the formula. It is same like compound interest. When we find compound interest, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. Raised to n is there. So here also raised to n. Here I am taking only for 1 unit. Okay, that is a P1. Here I am taking 1 unit. Okay, so for 1 unit it is a P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100. Okay, so if we take similarly, suppose if we take population after 1 year, then it is a P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100. Okay, then for 2 years P2 is equal to, how we find, that is a P1 into 1 plus R by 100, but value of P1 is P0 into 1 plus R by 100. Okay, and into this 1 plus R by 100. So it is P0 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to 2. Okay, so for P1 it is raised to 1, P2 it is raised to 2. Similarly P3 we can write P0 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to 3. Okay, so if we have to find after n years what is the population growth, so Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. So this is the formula to find population after some years or after n years. Okay, it is same like compound interest. Okay, and suppose if rate of growth is different for each year, then formula, it is Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100 up to 1 plus Rn by 100. Okay, so this also same in already we learn in compound interest. This formula also we have. Okay, when rate is different, how to find amount. So it is same like compound interest. When rate is different, we have to find Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100 up to 1 plus Rn by 100. Okay, so now we have to use this two formula and we have to solve examples based on it. Okay, the first example is in the 2001 census, the population of India was found to be 8.7 into 10 raised to 7. If the population increases at the rate of 2.5% every year, what would be the population in 2021? Okay, so here P0, that is 8.7 into 10 raised to 7, then R is equal to 2.5 percentage, then we have to find N is equal to, okay, N is equal to, in 2001 census it is given, and after 20 years we have to find, that is a 2021, so N is equal to 20. Okay, now we have to find Pn, that is a Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. So it is a Pn is equal to, N is equal to 20. So here we can write P20 or only write P. Okay, P20 is equal to 8.7 into 10 raised to 7, 1 plus 2.5 upon 100 raised to 20. Okay, now we have to simplify this. So 8.7 into 10 raised to 7 into, if we simplify this, it is a 1 plus decimal point shift 2 places, so 0.025 raised to 20. So it is P20 is equal to 8.7 into 10 raised to 7 into, it is a 1.025 raised to 20. Now take a log on both sides. So log of P20 is equal to, or only write P, so it is more convenient. So log P is equal to 8.7. Now log of 8.7 into 10 raised to 7 into 1.025 raised to 20. Okay, so it is in multiplication, so we have to write log of 8.7 plus log of 10 raised to 7 plus log of 1.025 raised to 20. Okay, so log of 8.7 plus this we can write 7 log 10 plus 20 into log of 1.025. Okay, now we have to find log of all these numbers and then take antilog. Okay, so log of 8.7, characteristic is here 0, so 0 point in 87th row 9395, so 0.9395 plus 7 log 10, it is a 7 log 10 is 1 plus 20 into log of this, here characteristic is 0 point in 10th row column headed by 2 and mean difference is column headed by 5. So 0086 plus 21. So 0086 plus 21, it is a 0107. Okay, so 0.0107. Okay, now we have to simplify this. Can we write here log of p is equal to 0.9395 plus 7 plus, if you multiply this 20, so 1 point is shifted, it is 2 multiplied by 0.107, so 0.9395 plus 7 plus 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 0. Now add this, so 0.9395 plus 7.000 plus 0.2140, so 5, 9 plus 4 13, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 2 11, 7 plus 1 8, so it is 8.1535. So we have to find p, so take antilog on both sides, so p is equal to antilog of 8.1535. okay, so here characteristic is 8. Now in 15th row and column headed by 3 and mean differences column headed by 5, so it is in antilog table 15 through 1422 and it is 2, so 1424, okay, so it is a 0.1424, okay, so here characteristic is 8, so we can write 0.1424 into 10 raised to 9, okay, 8 plus 1, so if we shift 1 point here when we write in standard form, so 1.424 into 10 raised to 8. So in 2021 population is 1.424 into 10 raised to 8. okay, understand this. Now we will take second example. Second question. Okay, so question is big. In 1980, the population of the state of Andhra Pradesh and France was roughly the same. It is about 5.4 into 10 raised to 8. If the population of Andhra Pradesh grows at the rate of 2.4% per year and population of France grows at the rate of 1.8% per year, so show that in the year 2100 the population of Andhra Pradesh will be roughly twice that of France. okay, so we have to show that population of Andhra Pradesh will be roughly twice that of France in the year 2100, means after 120 years. okay, because initially it is given in 1980, that is 5.4 into 10 raised to 8. okay, so if we suppose that population of Andhra Pradesh, that is a PA, in year 2100, so how to find this? It is a P0, so 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1 plus R is given 2.4 upon 100 raised to 120. okay, why we take 120? Because in 1980 it is given and after 120 years, that is a 2100, so difference between these two is 120. okay, so n is 120. now if we simplify this, it is a 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into decimal point shift 2 places, so 1 plus 0.024 raised to 120, so it is a 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1.024 raised to 120. Similarly, if we find population of France in 2100, it is a 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1 plus rate is given 1.8 by 100 raised to 120. So 5.4 into 10 raised to 8, 1 plus 0.018 raised to 120. So 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1.018 raised to 120. Okay. Now if we divide this, so population of Andhra Pradesh and divided by population of France is equal to 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1.024 raised to 120 upon 5.4 into 10 raised to 8 into 1.018 raised to 120. Okay, so this will get cancel. What is remain? 1.024 raised to 120 upon 1.018 raised to 120. So if we take log on both sides, log of population of Andhra Pradesh upon population of France is equal to log of 1.024 upon, okay, we can write directly here 1.024 upon 1.018 raised to 120. So log of 1.024 upon 1.018 raised to 120. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. Okay, I will write here. So I am writing this one. Okay. So this we can write log of PA upon PF is equal to, this we can write 120 into log of m by n, it is log m minus log n. So log of 1.024 minus log of 1.018. Okay, so 120 into, if we find this characteristic is 0, so 0 point in 10th row second column and mean differences column, it is a 4. So 10th row means in 10 number it is a 0086 and 4 17. So 0086 plus 17, 0086 plus 17, 7 plus 6 3, 103. So 0.010, okay, 0.0103 minus 0. Is 0043 and 34, 0043 34. So it is a 0077. Okay, so if we subtract this, so 0.0103 minus 0.0077, so 3, 13 minus 7 6, 9 minus 7 2, and it is a 0. Okay, so 120 into 0.0026. So if you multiply this, it is 120 into this, so 1 decimal point shift, so 12 into 0.026. So if you multiply this, 12 6 is 72, 12 2 is 24 plus 7 31, it is 3 0. So 0.312. So if we find anti-log on both sides, so population of Andhra Pradesh upon population of France is equal to anti-log of 0.312. Okay, so if we find anti-log of this number in 31 row and column, it is 2.051. 2.051. Okay, means 2051, and characteristic is here 0. So add 1 and give decimal point after 1 place. So approximately it is 2. So population of Andhra Pradesh is 2 times population of France. If we multiply this here, so we can write here PA is equal to 2 times PF. Okay, so after 2100 years or after 120 years, in 2100 years it is a 2 times population of France. Okay, understand this. Now we will take third example. The third question is the population of town is 1,20,000. If it increases 7% annually, what will be the population after 2 years? Okay, so here P0 is given 1,20,000. Okay, rate is given 7%, n is given 2. So population after 2 years, if we suppose that it is a P, 1,20,000 P0, 1 plus R by 100, so 7 by 100 raised to 2. Okay, so if we simplify this 1,20,000, it is 107 by 100 raised to 2. Now take log on both sides, so log of P is equal to log of 1,20,000 plus, okay, it is in multiplication, so log of 107 upon 100 raised to 2. So this is log of 1,20,000 plus 2 into log of m by n. So it is log of 107 minus log of 100. Okay, now we have to find log of all these numbers. Here characteristic is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 point in 12th row, it is 0792. So 0792 plus 2 into log of 107, characteristic is 2 point in 10, column headed by 7 is 0294, minus log of 100 is 2. Okay, now we have to simplify this and then take anti-log. So 5.0792 plus 2 into, if we subtract this, it is a 0.0294. So 5.0792 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 200 point. So 5.0792 plus this, 5.0792 plus 0.0588. So 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18, 7 plus 1 8 plus 5 13, 1 and 5. So it is a 5.1380. So P is equal to anti-log of 5.1380. Okay, so characteristic is 5. So in 13th row and column headed by 8, main differences column headed by 0, but main differences column it is starting from 1, so only we have to see number in 13th row and column headed by 8. So it is 1374. Characteristic is 5. So add 1 and give decimal point. So after 6 places, 6 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So population after 2 years it is a 1,37,400. Okay, initially it is 1,20,000 and after 2 years it is a 1,37,400. Okay, understand this. Now for more practice, solve example in given worksheet. Okay.